Maytal Tab here with Livell Real Estate. Views that are so incredible are truly indescribable. Well, almost. Welcome to 948 Del Mar Avenue here in Laguna Beach. I cannot wait to show you this incredible property. Front row of 180 degrees stunning ocean views. The open floor plans extend to the exterior with decks and views from every level. It's literally having the whole city of Laguna Beach displayed in front of your eyes with 180 degrees of ocean views, Catalina Island, and incredible sunsets. Effortless flow into a reimagined kitchen with an island and a great breakfast nook when you can enjoy family and friends time or social time while cooking and enjoying the great ocean views. Vaulted ceilings and a custom walk-in closet along with a great sized bathroom in the primary suite. But most importantly are those incredible ocean views that you can get straight from bed. A magical yard with privacy right off the living room with a private spa and a barbecue allows for this property to be absolutely perfect. Moments from Laguna Beach restaurants, shops, coffee shops, and galleries. This property is absolutely stunning. Thank you for visiting with me here today. Please connect with us for more information.